Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody gives me no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's your girl Krissy and I'm back at it again with another video, and we are doing a hair tutorial today. I know it has been a while since I've brought a hair video for you guys, but we are back. And today's video, I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out, but I'm super excited to see the results. So a few years back, I actually did a review or just a style with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze. This is what the product looks like. And I did not like necessarily how the product worked with my hair. So I don't know if it was because I started on days old hair when I did the style, but when I used this product, I did get a lot of buildup, a lot of flakes. It was really bad. So I'm going to be trying this style again, or actually I'm going to do something different, but I'm going to be using this product again, and I'm only going to be using a leave-in conditioner with it this time. My hair is freshly washed, so hopefully we don't get a lot of flaking and all that was going on this time. So the leave-in conditioner that I'll be using is the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. I am running out, so I'm just gonna see if I can just finish it out right now, and we're gonna use her. This is what she looks like. We are just going to do a braid out. I also haven't done a braid out in a minute, but I think I'm gonna do some sort of half up, half down style. This is what my hair looks like freshly washed. I did kind of do a quick little cut the other day, and I also made some little bangs for me. Always wanted bangs, so I kind of did a little cut. But we're not gonna do the whole entire head today because I'm going to work tomorrow, so I'm just gonna do like probably like a half up, half down style. But if you are interested in seeing how this turns out, then just keep on watching. Before I start, because I'm probably gonna do a little voiceover because I'm watching wrestling right now, but this is what the consistency looks like in case you guys do not know. She is very like gummy, or like, I mean, she's runny, but for the most part she's very gel-like. I actually was on my first podcast. It is a wrestling podcast called Wrestling While Black. I'll leave the link down below if you are a wrestling fan, or if you just want to check it out. Check the link, check the description box below for all those goodies. So I'm gonna start this video right now, so I'll see you guys at the end.
Appreciation Night. On a long enough timeline, I'm sure we'll have Cody Rhodes Appreciation Night. I'll be there. I'll be excited.
Whoa, Mom.
incredible entrance to watch. I agree with you completely. But the fact remains, the spotlight is only big enough for one of these two superstars.
So it is the next morning. It is about 90-95% dry. We will know fully once we start to unravel these plaits, these braids. I have to go to work in about 30 minutes, so we're gonna do this as quickly but as neatly as possible, if that's even a thing. I'm going to put in this Cream of Nature coconut milk essential treatment oil. This is what she looks like. We are just going to start unraveling our braids. Okay, so this is the second one, and we do have some curl going on, but I can feel that it is a little bit wet up here near the root part, which shouldn't really be a problem, but if it's wet actually on the braid, then that's when it comes a little bit, you know, frizzy if it's not fully dried. So let's see how this one comes out. At the bottom, if you can see, it is curly and nice. We got some curl going on, most definitely, but I'm having the same issue again up at the roots, at the top. It is not fully dried, but hopefully that will not make our braid out look super frizzy. Hopefully we'll still get some definition once we start to pretty much just pick out and separate these curls. Lobo. Move, Bubba. The curl definition for this is amazing. This side is more wet than this side, which of course, because I did that side last, but look at, you can't even see, look at the curl definition on this. Like, look at these curl definition. Look at this. It is super nice. Parts that I kind of already separating, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just like, you know, help them a little bit. And I'm gonna do that for the entire head. And if the parts are big and they're not really coming apart by themselves, I'm just going to separate it. Just find a part and separate and hope it doesn't fuzz up. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I put on some jewels on my little bun just to spice it up a little bit. This is what my hair is looking like. I puffed it up a little bit more and I am loving it. The definition is real. Like, look at that. Look at that definition. Yeah, I have not done a braid out in a while and this one came out super duper nice. I am so happy with these results. Hopefully this will last me a week. We will just have to wait and see. And I love how I left this part out so I can always, you know, play around with that. I can put it in two. I can put down some, you know, little curly pieces here, you know, whatever I feel like doing. This style is very versatile to, you know, change up if I do get tired of my one little bun. But yeah, this is the final results. Let me do a spin for you guys real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thick thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel to become a part of the K-Stylers, because you don't know, over here we be styling and wilding. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Krissy and I am signing out. Later.